These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin trades above $26,000, Ether trades below $1,800. Decentralized exchange Uniswap trading volume outpaces Coinbase for fourth consecutive month. US Defense Department explores crypto use cases with blockchain startup Constellation. Crypto miner Hive blockchain targets 6 exahash per second of computing power, funded by up to $100 million share scale. EU lawmakers take first step towards AI curbs. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Leading virtual digital assets have surrendered to selling pressure that was triggered by the talks of US government liquidation, while leading market makers Jane Street and Jump Crypto decided to abandon crypto trading in the US earlier this week. The cryptocurrency markets witnessed positive momentum as the US CPI continued to fall, causing Bitcoin prices to reclaim the crucial $28,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.96% at 37,132 points. Bitcoin is trading at $26,424, down 3.74%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 6.84%, trading at $1,770. Let's cut across to our expert for the take on the market. Leading market makers Jane Street and Jump Crypto decided to abandon crypto trading in the US. The move by the two major market makers comes as a result of regulatory uncertainty in the US. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around the $1.1 trillion mark, decreasing 2.7% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 10% to $42 billion. Meanwhile, liquidity has been a huge problem before, which could now get worse. Due to low liquidity, higher volatility is likely as larger buy and sell orders move the market faster. Another piece of interesting information is the popularity of Bitcoin ordinals transaction is declining. Trading volume has dropped for 3 consecutive days after reaching an all-time high of $18.13 million earlier this week. The number of transactions has also dropped from 17,000 to 6,000. As a result, there are a lot of uncertainties taking place in the global cryptocurrency market. The dollar index is currently hovering above the crucial support at 102 points. Solana SOL was down 1.43% and was trading at $20.29. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.41% to trade at $0.84. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $14.98, lower 2.27%. BNB was down by 1.99% to trade at $305.81. Polkadot was down by 2.64% to trade at $5.25. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.55%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.15% at $0.072. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.42, up by 0.93%. Cardano's ADA token was up by 1.21% to trade at $0.36.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Decentralized exchange Uniswap topped centralized exchange Coinbase in trading volume in April, the fourth consecutive month that it has surpassed Coinbase, according to data provided by CC Data. Uniswap's trading volume climbed above Coinbase's in February, and although both exchanges' volumes have declined since then, Uniswap has remained ahead of Coinbase. Uniswap is a DEX that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Uniswap handled some $37 billion trading in April compared to March, when it handled over $70 billion. Coinbase saw $34 billion worth of trading volume on its exchange in April versus $49 billion in March. Biden's White House might be waging war on crypto, but that hasn't stopped the US Department of Defense from pushing blockchain boundaries. The Defense Department, or DoD, has just finalized a contract with a 6-year-old blockchain startup, a significant step for the industry. Established in 2017, Constellation is a privately backed, founder-led blockchain ecosystem with a keen focus on processing big data. Its infrastructure is pitched to support decentralized data marketplaces and maintain data governance and integrity. The San Francisco-based firm said Thursday the completion of its Phase 2 DoD contract led to a well-defined deliverable prototype. The US Air Force began contracting Constellation through a DoD partnership in 2019. The US military eyed Constellation as a way to modernize the cybersecurity of its back-end systems. The Phase 2 contract continued research and development to evaluate the commercial potential of the platform, including deal sizes up to $1 million. Hive blockchain revealed a plan to roughly double its computing power or hash rate to 6 exahash per second in a press release on Friday. The miner will fund its growth target through an at-the-market sale but did not specify a timeline for the target. Hive said it will increase its hash rate from about 3 exahash per second to 4 exahash per second by the end of second quarter with machines it has already purchased. The miner will sell up to $100 million common shares under its ATM offering, with Canadian investment firms Canaccord, Genuity, and Stifel acting as agents. Each exahash of Bitcoin mining computing power will cost $30 million, so the offering could fund up to 3 exahash per second of growth. European Parliament lawmakers on Thursday took a crucial first step towards European Union-wide regulation of ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence systems that Brussels hopes to speedily put in place. Parliamentary committees on civil liberties and consumer protection overwhelmingly voted for a position text calling for curbs on how AI can be used in Europe while still fostering innovation in the sector. The text is to be put to the full Parliament in June for adoption before negotiations with EU member states on a final law. Lawmakers called Thursday's vote historic and hoped it would lead to the world's first rules on artificial intelligence. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Recently, there has been a noticeable increase in XRP whale transactions, with Ripple in the center of each batch. The most recent group of transactions involves a total of 104 million XRP. These latest trades have taken place at a time when analysts think XRP may be in danger of falling below $0.40. 50 million of the 104 million XRP tokens that recently changed hands were transferred by Ripple. The transaction was carried out by California-based fintech company at 8, as noted by whale transaction tool Whale Alert. The recipient address is listed as unknown in the tweet from Whale Alert, but on-chain research indicates that it actually belongs to Ripple. XRP was trading at $0.42, up 0.37% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $22 billion. Shiba Inu tokens can now be used for cell top-ups, online shopping, and in the future, SHIB Metaverse, according to a recent announcement by blockchain-based solution provider Uqbit. Users were asked to dive into the future with SHIB and Uqbit's alpha top-up service when the announcement was made via a tweet. The action is being viewed as another step towards the acceptability of meme coins by the general public, with SHIB leading the charge. For Web 3.0 companies, top-up and data services are provided by Alpha Mobile Top-up, a B2B company powered by Uqbit. The new connection adds a level of convenience and accessibility by allowing SHIB holders to conduct online transactions devoid of limitations based on their physical location. Shiba Inu was trading 2.91% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Today's price increases for KuCoin token, the native cryptocurrency of KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange, are impressive. The cryptocurrency experienced its most turbulent surge this week, printing a daily high of $7.65 on top of 5% increase. A feather in KCS cap, although U today has previously noted significant price spikes for the KCS tokens. This most recent spike increase is being driven by the coin's strong association with another meme coins trading platform. First, it listed on the cartoonish DogeCoin Pepe alongside the rest of the competitors, including Binance Exchange. The listing, which happened last week, contributed to the ongoing revolution of meme coins. In a recent announcement, KuCoin said it plans to list another set of meme coins featuring AirDoge, Wojak, Turbo, Monk, and Bob, and that it wants its community to lend the voice to decide which of these should go live. KCS was trading at $7.48, down 0.34% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $7 million. According to a blog post published on Thursday, World App, a cryptocurrency wallet introduced by WorldCoin earlier this week, is switching from the Polygon ecosystem to Optimism. The move coincides with the announcement of a cooperation between the WorldCoin Foundation and early protocol contributors at Tools for Humanity. WorldCoin's Human ID protocol plans to move its recently released wallet World App from Polygon to Optimism's ecosystem. This action is a result of the WorldCoin Foundation and Optimism Collective's recently formed relationship. The World ID protocol will also move to the OP mainnet of Optimism. Optimism is a layer 2 scaling solution created on the Ethereum mainnet, as much as Polygon and Arbitrum. Optimism was trading at $1.55, down 6.81% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $4 million. The number of daily active users on the well-known layer 2 rollup Arbitrum fell by more than 17% in the previous day from a 2-week high, casting doubt on the longevity of the surge. At the time of publication, the daily user graph had dropped to 244K after failing it to surpass the 300K mark. As the transaction fees over the past several days have followed a flatter trajectory, the trading activity on the Ethereum scaling solution has remained muted. According to CoinMarketCap data, the price of native token ARB fell 16.8% over the past week to $1.12, reflecting the declining demand. A promising news, though, beckoned the Arbitrum community, and things might change. Arbitrum described the new decentralized autonomous organization revenue system according to an official Twitter release. Holders of this cryptocurrency could profit from accrued excess fees. As part of the incentives from fees, Arbitrum will give 3,352 ETH, worth more than $6 million, to its DAO. Arbitrum was trading at $1.11, down 2.19% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.